In today's video, I'm going to show you how to seamlessly add your Calendly scheduling link into a Framer website. This is perfect if you want clients to book meetings directly without leaving your site. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick tutorials. First, open Calendly and choose the meeting type you'd like to share. Once you have got it, click the option to copy your link. We'll be using this in just a moment. Now, head over to your Framer project. Inside your project, look for the Insert button in the top corner. Click it, then search for Embed. This feature lets you add external content, and it's exactly what we need for Calendly. Next, paste the Calendly link you copied earlier into the embed area. As soon as you do, your scheduling tool will appear directly inside your Framer project. You can now drag it to the section you want and resize it so it matches your page design perfectly. And that's it. Calendly is now live inside your Framer site. Visitors can schedule calls or meetings with you instantly without ever leaving your website. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, drop your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more simple guides. See you in the next one.